Hey everybody, you might be wondering why we're out here in the dark trying to film, and that's because we're going to show you tonight how to replace the backup light bulbs in our 78 Jeep Wagoneer. So this is our kind of old school crummy Wagoneer that we absolutely love. It's my 17-year-old's daily driver, and we're going to pop out the bulbs that we have here in the backup where you can barely see them, and I'll show you how bright they are right now, and replace them with a set of 1156 LED bulbs that we think are going to make a big difference. So these are the new ones, and we'll show you how to do that. But first, we're going to show you the difference in brightness. We'll show you where we're starting at least. Okay, so here you can see the original light bulbs that we have in the car. They're an 1156 design, single pole in the center. They are kind of yellowish in color, and frankly, when you turn off the light that we have casting on us, you can tell that it makes virtually no difference. Like, the ability to see what you're backing up into is almost non-existent. They're pretty lousy, and I think we can do better. So let's see how the LEDs look, and let's take these out and replace them. So what we're going to do is just literally remove the lens cover here. We'll do one at a time. And it only takes a moment. To pop this off. There we go. You can see in there and see the original bulb that we've got. For these Wagoneers, you need to carefully pull off the gasket. Keep some of the water out, basically. It can also only go in one way. So that you can see them in the shape of it, can literally go on one way per side. So that's important. Then if you look under here, we've got the bulb itself. And typically, we can remove the bulb by just reaching in there and turning it a quarter turn counterclockwise. So, quick tip for you, I was having problems getting it loosened up barehanded. It was just slipping around it, so I put on a blue glove, and the rubber made a huge difference. Now you can just spin it around. This is what the 1156 bulb looks like. You can see it's got a single post on the bottom, and then it's got two tabs that are about equal size, some equal location on the side of the bulb itself. So now I'm going to pull out one of the LED bulbs, and we'll take a look at what that looks like. For comparison, here's the LED bulb on the left-hand side versus the standard incandescent bulb on the right-hand side. Notice they both got single posts on the bottom, and they both have the two little tabs on the side to put them in. These are approximately the same height, so the LED should fit in there really well. Now, one thing I always do whenever I'm doing electrical work is I'm a big fan of using dielectric grease on the electrical fittings. Just keeps things lubricated just a bit and helps avoid any corrosion that may take place. Putting in the bulb is as easy as just inserting it back into place, finding the two grooves that it fits into, pushing it in against the spring-loaded retainer, and turning it, I don't know, about 1/8 of a turn. Okay, done. Okay, bulb is in. Next up, all we need to do is put back the gasket and then reinsert the lens. So, simple as two little screws here. Don't tighten them down too much. There's no use in breaking the lens. There we go. So that bulb is fully replaced. Now let's take a look at how good it worked. So as you can see, the right side is quite a bit brighter, and what we'll do now is replace the left side, and when that's done, we'll show you what they both look like, but ultimately this will give us a much safer backup light solution. Okay, we've got them both installed now, and I think the difference is huge. We'll do kind of a before and after on this when we had the old ones versus the new ones. But boy, it's a super bright white. Makes a big difference just looking at it that way. And as I turn off the light here, you can see the combined difference when it's pitch dark. You can actually see when you're backing up now. So totally worth the improvement. It was less than 20 bucks and makes a huge difference. Those LED bulbs should last probably the rest of the life of this Jeep. But really nice improvement. So thanks for watching. We'll put the part number in the description, and hope you subscribe and enjoy the video.